Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel MathTrans. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to solve a very good question which involves geometry. So without further ado, let's go to the question. I hope you can see my screen. So the question is as follows. Given that the basic repeating unit is a quarter circle inside a square which scales every time by a factor p is less than 1 and rotates 90 degrees infinitely to form a spiral, find the final coordinates of the spiral from the given figure. So this is the given figure. The basic unit has a dimension of 1. I would like you all to pause the video and give a try to this question. Now, I hope you would have done trying, and if you are not able to find the solution, then I'm going to solve it right now. Let's choose this color itself. I think orange is pretty good. So at the very start, let's look at only the x coordinate. So this is one unit. Then with the second square, p units are added. So now x coordinate goes as 1, and with the next square, a p unit is added. Then a p square unit is subtracted from it. Like now the final point here is this after the third square comes into picture. So minus p square. This unit also subtracts from the following x coordinate, p cube. Now you can see the next one will add p to the power 4. Next one will also add. Now you can see 2 units are adding and 2 units are subtracting. And this is an infinite series. Okay. So now I'm going to club these terms and I'm going to club these terms. So when you club this term, so this is infinite GP as p is less than 1. First term is 1 and the common ratio is minus p square. And the second one, this will turn out to be first term is p and common ratio is minus p square. This is how we get the sum of infinite GP. So finally you will get 1 plus p on 1 plus p square. This is the x coordinate. Okay. Similarly, for the y coordinate, we can see that first, this is 1 unit, which is being added. Then p unit is subtracted. So now, let me resize it a bit so that you can see this. So now y is 1. Then first unit subtracts. Next unit also subtracts. This square p, this is of length p square. This also subtracts. Next is this length. This adds p cube plus p cube. The next one also adds p to the power 4. And now you can see it's the same as above. It also forms a GP, but in these two pairs. This is one, and this would be the other. So now y would become, for the first one, the first term is 1. And since we have already seen that with minus p square, it turns out to be 1 plus p square below. Now, the second term, for the second term, this GP has the first term as minus p, and the common ratio is minus p square. So it will turn out to be this, which is equals to 1 minus p upon 1 plus p square. So therefore, your x comma y which are the final coordinates, are nothing but 1 plus p upon 1 plus p square and 1 minus p upon 1 plus p square. So let's see if p equals to half. This would imply x comma y would go to 1 plus half on 1 plus 4 comma 1 minus half on 1 plus 4. We put the brackets, and this would become 3 by 2. This would become 5 by 4. This would become 1 by 2, and this would become 5 by 4. This 2 and this 4 cancels, 2 comes here. Same thing for this. And these 2 will multiply with that 3. It will become 6 by 5, comma 2 by 5. So the final answer for this question is this: 1 plus p So the final answer is 1 plus p upon 1 plus p square, comma 1 minus p upon 1 plus p square. And we have also solved it for p equals to half, which turns out to be 6 by 5 upon 2 by 5. I hope you like the video. Please share and subscribe my channel. Do not forget to like it. Thank you.